Hey, let me show you how we can fix connection issue of Redmi Buds 6. So as you can see in my case, they are in the pairing mode and they are visible here, but I cannot actually connect them. So first of all, you have to be sure that you recharge your charging case and both earbuds inside. So you'll have to close this case and connect cable in front and wait for around 5 minutes. As you can see right here, we can find this charging animation. So when you finish this 5 minutes charging, also you have to be sure that you switch off Bluetooth on your device and now open this charging case. You will have to click and hold this small button. I'm gonna bring it a little bit closer to the camera. Here we can find pairing button, so you will have to click and hold it. Wait until this indicator starts blinking. Now we can release button, turn on Bluetooth back, and click to pair new device. Basically just open pairing list and try to select this earbuds with headphones icon. So connect them, accept pairing, and let's find out. Okay, that's strange. There we go. Right now I'm connected. But if it is still not working, then you have to just take a look close into your earbuds, especially right here and right here. So there was actually a lot of foil on it. Yeah, there's the foil, and sometimes it can actually cancel your connection because something is not sticking properly in your case. So be sure that you remove all of this foil from your earbuds before you start this pairing request.